like this, you see. This is the mite. It didn't grip yet. This is the mite at larval stage. But when it gets big, it's drop also. Look at us.
The body we think we know.
But the mosquito can get rid of it when the mite is big. But to us,
is really an illusion.
We are eaten alive from this.
Born of our limited perspective.
I just showed you so that you know.
Sometimes, of course, ignorance is bliss. It's not easy accepting the fact that billions of other organisms
are living
live
on us.
And in
they
us.
Are eating us alive.
Some of our closest companions have never been introduced to us. The hair follicle.
Every hair we have inside from this inside.
It lives in holes in our scalp through which hair grows. A kind of tiny parasitic.
We are advanced. The mosquito has more evolution than us. He is more.
The mites especially, like the large follicles of our eyelashes.
Every eyelashes, they are substance.
They thrive on fat and dirt and have even developed a taste for eyelashes. Of creeping, crawling creatures.
The dust, over the dust, they're eating the dust also.
This is the front end of a dust mite, seen through an electron microscope. It's about an eighth of an inch long, impossible to see with the naked eye.
This is big. When it's larval stage, it's smaller.
Dust mites are everywhere we are. Here, they move easily through the weave of blankets and sheets in search of more food. They scavenge when we're awake and when we're asleep. It is everywhere, waiting to be harvested. But before you run to take a shower, consider this. Dust mites are really sanitation workers who help clean up our mess.
Okay. Now I will speak my favorite subject. It was difficult. When we die and we go up from the graves, Hashan Absarim, they will go like locusts. We will go up from the graves at the judgment day like locusts. Why we are imitated to the locust? Are we like this locust? يخرجون من الأجداث كأنهم جراد منتشر. We will go out from the graves like locusts. Why we resemble the locust? This we will check it out. When grasshoppers go biblical, when grasshoppers are in nature, they are like this green, they call grasshoppers. When they come together, swarm, they change color, they become brown, and they are called locust. Locust and the grasshopper is the same. But if it's green, it's called grasshopper. It's shy, like this, it doesn't harm. When it goes brown, it becomes like locust. Locust, and it's bad. They mate, they eat. And we are resemble this. We will check this. What make harmless little green grasshoppers turn into brown? Crop chopping clouds like throbbings, serotonin. We will check this.
The livelihood of a tenth of the world's human.
Wait a minute. Yes. Okay. This is the locust. You know.
The livelihood of a tenth of the world's human population.
We will go out from the earth like locusts.
But locusts only swarm under certain conditions.
Locusts swarm. This is green now. How it will become brown? This is shy locust.
And for years, scientists have wondered why. Here at Oxford University in England, experts are trying to figure out what makes this shy grasshopper turn into a monster.
How this shy grasshopper comes very bad brown. We want to know this because we are resembled to locusts. We want to know.
And here's the secret. When locust numbers increase, something switches in this bug's brain that says swarm. See this area on the hind leg? All it takes to tweak this individual into swarm mode is for me to rub its leg for 5 seconds.
If you rub the leg of the grasshopper, it becomes hyper and starts mating with other locusts, and it becomes brown. Like this, if you take the leg of the woman, and you are excited and you go above it, and you change your color, you become brown. Why we can become brown?
Seconds. Every minute for the next 4 hours. Forces solitary locusts to come together, be social.
When they come together and the legs are touched together, they like become hyper, they mate together, and they lose their color and they become brown. Strange thing.
And rub up against each other.
But the resurrection day, when we go up, we will be green. I think God will give us another chance. When we go up from the grave, we are green. But we will touch together, and we will make together, and we will lose our light, and we will come brown. I think He will give us another chance at the day of resurrection.
And when that happens, these special hairs on its leg get touched. They signal to the locust brain, overcrowding, overcrowding, and it's like flipping the switch. Over the coming weeks, it will molt 5 times, change color and shape, and
It will change color.
become social. Very social.
Social. The shy locust will become social. Will become
And when
brown.
locusts swarm, there can be millions of them.
Okay. Here, look, I like this very much. When the horn will be blown and we will gather the criminals that they blew. They come out like locusts. Here it's telling the blue colors are criminals, God is telling, and we will catch them quickly. There is no trial for them. These are blue, directly to hell. The blue, and we are like the locust. Is there a blue locust? Because we resemble the locust it's telling. We will see if there is blue locust. This is shy green locust when we go up first from the ground. Look, the eyes are green even. We have our light. Look, this is the blue locust. There is blue locust. In the resurrection day, if we have this blue locust, blue color, we don't have light, directly they will put us without trial to hell. They will have no trial. This is blue.
Insects that have complete metamorphosis have 4 different life stages. These insects start as eggs.
The bee has complete 4 stages, but the locust, it doesn't has. We resemble the locust. Locust, it doesn't have 4 metamorphosis.
Eggs, which are very small. The eggs hatch and
For example, the butterfly, the bee, become egg, after it become larva.
The larva looks like a worm and eats so that it can grow much bigger. When the larva has grown, it changes into a pupa.
A pupa
The pupa usually cannot move or eat.
After
The
it
pupa is a
becomes an
special
adult.
time when the insect is changing into an adult that will look very different from the larva or the pupa. The pupa are inside cocoons. When the pupa opens,
Most of the insects, they have complete metamorphism and they go these 4 stages, egg, larva, pupa, adult. But the grasshopper, no. We resemble like the grasshopper. It comes out like a small adult. The resemble is correct.
Eggs depending on the species. Normally a female grasshopper can lay up to 25 pounds.
The strange thing also of the grasshopper, the eggs stay about 1 year in the ground. After comes up, poof, like this. The bee, the ant, 2-3 days the eggs hatch. Why the grasshopper stay in under the soil 1 year? There is kinds 19 years it stay under the ground. Because when we die, we are under the ground. We will come out from the ground and we resemble to our system like much of the grasshopper.
The egg remains underneath for about 10 months in the autumn and winter before it hatches into nymphs during spring.
Most of the insects, 1-2 days the egg hatches.
Or in the initial day.
1 year, 2 years the eggs stay under the ground.
This is the second stage of the grasshopper's life cycle.
Directly it becomes
Nymphs look like adult grasshoppers called moths. Apart from the fact that they are winged
they don't have metamorphism.
and lack reproductive organs, they undergo 5 substages known as instars before fully development takes place during the nymph stage. The locust sheds its exoskeleton before maturing into an adult, while the exoskeleton covers the nymph's body, providing it with protection against
It grows like this. It comes from the body. It makes a new skeleton.
external injury.
Like this.
It inhibits its growth because of this.
Okay.